Have you ever considered what happens when older adults use castor oil for just 1 week? More than 70% of individuals over 49 experience significant health benefits from using castor oil within a week. We have dedicated weeks to researching the most effective ways for aging adults to use castor oil and interviewed several health experts to provide you with the most accurate information. After witnessing the remarkable transformations in adults who used castor oil, we felt compelled to share these findings with you. How does castor oil improve health for older adults in just 7 days? Can castor oil really boost circulation for people over 49? How does it help with joint pain and arthritis in older adults? We will explore these questions, and we will also discuss some of the potential side effects of castor oil and how to use it safely, based on real-life experiences. After watching this simplified video, you will have all the information you need about castor oil, and you may find that using it for just 1 week can offer solutions that outdated methods cannot. Be sure to watch till the end to avoid mistakes that many people make when attempting to use castor oil. First of all, let's cover what castor oil is. Historians have discovered that castor oil was present in nearly all ancient civilizations. The Greeks and Romans utilized it as both an ointment and a health elixir. In Ayurvedic medicine, it later earned the reputation of being the secret of beauty. Starting its life in the rich soils of India, Africa, or South America, the oil was pressed from the seeds of the castor bean plant. Traditionally, practitioners would pick, peel, and press the seeds by hand to release the nutrient-rich oil. Castor oil is rich in ricinoleic acid, which provides anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial benefits. It also contains omega-9 and omega-6 fatty acids, vitamin E, and small amounts of minerals like calcium and magnesium. The first health benefit is improving blood circulation, which is particularly important for older adults who may experience poor circulation due to various health conditions. Massaging castor oil into the skin can stimulate blood flow and reduce swelling in the extremities. The warming effect of castor oil helps to dilate blood vessels, enhancing circulation and oxygen delivery to tissues. A study in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine noted that castor oil packs increased blood flow and alleviated symptoms of poor circulation. To improve circulation, gently massage warm castor oil into the legs and feet and cover with a cloth to retain heat. The second benefit of castor oil is joint pain relief. Castor oil is renowned for its anti-inflammatory properties, which can be particularly beneficial for those suffering from arthritis and joint pain. The high concentration of ricinoleic acid in castor oil has been shown to reduce inflammation and relieve pain when applied topically. A study in phytotherapy research demonstrated that castor oil packs significantly reduced pain in individuals with knee osteoarthritis. To use castor oil for joint pain relief, gently warm the oil and massage it into the affected joints. Cover the area with a cloth and let it sit for an hour to allow the oil to penetrate deeply and provide relief. Another benefit is castor oil aids with digestive health. As a natural laxative, castor oil can help ease constipation, a common issue among adults. The oil works by stimulating the muscles of the intestines, promoting bowel movements. This can be particularly beneficial for those who experience occasional constipation. However, it is important to use castor oil sparingly and under the guidance of a healthcare professional to avoid potential side effects such as cramping or diarrhea. For occasional relief, a small dose of 1 teaspoon can be taken on an empty stomach, followed by a glass of water. The next benefit is castor oil is a great sleep aid. For those over 49, achieving restful sleep can become increasingly challenging due to various factors such as stress, health conditions, or hormonal changes. Castor oil can serve as a natural remedy to enhance sleep quality due to its soothing and calming properties when applied to specific areas of the body, like the scalp or the soles of the feet. Castor oil promotes relaxation and a sense of calm, which can significantly improve sleep. The oil's effectiveness as a sleep aid is supported by findings in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology, which highlighted its mild sedative effects that help reduce insomnia. To incorporate castor oil into your nightly routine, warm a small amount in your hands and gently massage it onto your scalp, focusing on the temples and the back of the neck, or rub it into the soles of your feet. The gentle massage not only helps the oil penetrate deeply, but also stimulates pressure points that are known to promote relaxation and better sleep. By adding this simple practice to your bedtime routine, you can enjoy deeper, more restorative sleep, which is crucial for maintaining overall health and well-being as you age. Another benefit is castor is useful for denture cleaning and storage. Dentures often harbor various bacteria and fungi, including Candida species, which can cause oral health issues if not properly maintained. Candida species, particularly C. albicans, pose a significant risk for denture wearers due to their tendency to adhere to denture surfaces and oral tissues. An overgrowth of Candida can result in denture stomatitis, an infection characterized by inflammation, redness, and irritation in the mouth. However, some studies suggest that using castor oil to clean dentures may help lower the risk of denture stomatitis by effectively killing bacteria and fungi. A study on PubMed called Evaluation of the Effect of Patient Preparation Using Castor Oil on ADC Value of Focal Liver Lesion found that castor oil works just as well as alkaline peroxide for cleaning dentures. Both methods were equally good at removing the biofilm that builds up on dentures. The last benefit is skin health. Castor oil is a natural emollient that deeply hydrates the skin, making it an excellent moisturizer for older adults. Its rich content of fatty acids, particularly ricinoleic acid, helps to retain moisture and keep the skin soft and supple. For adults, this can be especially beneficial as the skin tends to become drier and more fragile with age. Regular application can reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines, promoting a more youthful appearance. The antioxidants in castor oil combat free radicals, which are responsible for aging and skin damage. A study published in the International Journal of Cosmetic Science highlighted that castor oil's emollient properties improve skin texture and elasticity, making it a popular choice for anti-aging treatments. For optimal results, adults should apply a small amount of castor oil to the face and neck before bed, allowing it to work overnight and wake up to rejuvenated, more youthful-looking skin. Using castor oil correctly is essential to maximize its benefits. First of all, not all castor oils are created equal. To reap the ancient medicinal benefits of castor, you need high-quality, hexane-free, non-GMO oil in a glass bottle. We've linked a premium source below. Start by warming a small amount of castor oil in your hands for skin application and gently massage the oil onto the desired area using circular motions. This technique not only helps the oil penetrate deeper into the skin, but also stimulates blood flow, enhancing its effectiveness. When applying castor oil to joints, focus on the areas causing discomfort, using a gentle yet firm massage to ensure thorough absorption. Allow the oil to sit on your skin for at least an hour or even overnight for the best results, then rinse off with warm water. For oral use, it's crucial to follow safe consumption guidelines. Again, make sure you are using organic hexane-free castor oil in a glass bottle. There is a link to a premium source below. Begin with a small dose, such as half a teaspoon, to see how your body reacts. Gradually increase to no more than 1 teaspoon per day. Take it on an empty stomach to aid digestion and alleviate constipation. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new oral regimen, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are on medication. Incorporating castor oil into your daily routine can be simple and effective. For a skin moisturizer, mix a few drops of castor oil with a carrier oil like coconut or almond oil and apply it after a shower to lock in moisture. For joint pain relief, create a soothing rub by combining castor oil with a few drops of essential oils such as lavender or eucalyptus. This blend can be massaged into sore joints to provide relief and reduce inflammation. By following these guidelines, you can safely and effectively enjoy the numerous benefits of castor oil. While castor oil offers numerous health benefits, it's important to be aware of the following potential side effects and take necessary precautions. If you are enjoying this content, please be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. First, skin sensitivity is a common concern. Some individuals may experience allergic reactions or skin irritation when using castor oil. To avoid adverse reactions, it's advisable to perform a patch test before regular use. Apply a small amount of castor oil to a discrete area of your skin, such as the inner forearm, and wait 24 hours to see if any redness, itching, or irritation occurs. If any of these symptoms develop, it is best to discontinue use. Digestive issues can also arise from the internal use of castor oil. Taking an incorrect dosage can lead to digestive upset such as diarrhea, cramping, or nausea. To avoid these issues, start with a very small amount, such as half a teaspoon, and gradually increase to no more than 1 teaspoon per day. It's essential to monitor your body's response and adjust the dosage accordingly. Drinking plenty of water can also help mitigate potential digestive discomfort. Medication interactions are another critical consideration. Castor oil may interact with certain medications, potentially altering their effectiveness or causing adverse effects. It's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating castor oil into your routine, especially if you are taking prescription medications. This step ensures that there are no harmful interactions and that castor oil is safe for your use. Furthermore, prolonged use of castor oil can sometimes lead to dependency, particularly when used as a laxative. Relying on castor oil for regular bowel movements can cause your digestive system to become dependent on it, potentially leading to chronic constipation once you stop using it. To avoid this, use castor oil sparingly and only when necessary, opting for natural dietary fiber and hydration to maintain regular bowel movements. Some people may experience respiratory issues when using castor oil, particularly if they are sensitive to strong smells. Inhaling the oil's fumes, especially when heated, can cause respiratory discomfort or exacerbate conditions like asthma. If you have any respiratory conditions, it's best to use castor oil in a well-ventilated area and avoid direct inhalation of the fumes. By being mindful of these potential side effects and taking appropriate precautions, you can safely enjoy the benefits of castor oil while minimizing the risk of adverse reactions. We've heard some great stories from adults using castor oil. One lady said, "No one will believe this, but I bought castor oil for my skin because it was dry. I put it on my arm, which was broken a few years ago, and I am in agony sometimes with the pain, thinking it's arthritis, and just take the painkillers. In one day the pain was gone. I now rub it in my arm morning and night, and the pain is gone." Another person said they started using castor oil once or twice a day. After just a week, they noticed a real improvement. The skin on the back of their hands is so much smoother. Another woman mentioned that she discovered that she had a big ball-like cyst on her right leg, so she started massaging castor oil into it daily, and after a few weeks it started breaking down the lump, and she could feel the cellulite softening and getting smaller every day. Another person said they've been using castor oil for about a week on their face and hands, and her hangnails have disappeared. As we grow older, it's crucial to pay attention to how our bodies react to new treatments. Always do a patch test first and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips. Have you tried using castor oil yet? What have you experienced? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear from you.